In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change default browser on Android phone. In order to do that, you first need to head over into your phone itself, then on your device, head over to your settings. Once you're in there, click on the apps, and under the general, you can find default apps or choose default apps option. Now click on the browser app and then select the browser that you want to use. So it can be any browser. So on default, your browser is actually the one that's natively installed on your phone. For example, if it's just a browser option, you can change it into Google Chrome, Opera, Brave, Firefox, and Lex. Once you have changed it, your default apps or your default browser will be that browser, and any links externally opened will be open to that particular browser. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need. Thank you so much for watching.